Hey everyone. So when you get a phone as beautiful as the Pixel 10 Pro XL, finding the perfect case is a complete mission. You want protection, but you also want style. That's why today I'm gonna save you some time and do the hard work for you and show you my top 5 cases for the Google 10 Pro XL. All the links for these are gonna be down in the description below, and before we dive in, please do me a solid and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps me keep bringing you guys some awesome content just like this, and we have some great stuff lined up for the iPhone 17 Pro series as well. Okay, enough of that. Now let's check out the top 5 cases according to me for the Google Pixel 10 Pro series. Alright, kicking off our top 5 list is a case that is about minimalist style and premium feel, the Banks Aurora Armor Air case. Now this one's gonna be my favorite option from all of these cases. And before we get into the details, I want to be upfront and mention that Banks did send me this case for review. And as always, my opinions are my own, and my goal is to give you guys the honest truth so you can make the best decision for yourselves. Okay, let's talk about the Aurora Armor Air case. If you're someone who loves the original feel and design of the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, this is gonna be a great option for you. This case is built with the genuine aramid fiber, which is incredibly lightweight and strong, but more importantly, it feels fantastic in your hand. That fibrous texture is so unique and grippy, and because it's only 1mm thin, it practically feels like there's no case at all, preserving that natural thinness of the device that we all love. Now, while this case is made up of a super strong, tough material, I want to be clear, this isn't for the person who drops their phone all the time. This case is designed primarily just for scratch protection, and it's for the person who wants to protect their phone from dings and scrapes from the daily use. It does, however, have ever so slightly raised corners around the screen and a raised aluminum alloy guard ring around the camera lens to give you a little peace of mind for those flat surfaces. Now, the Banks story doesn't end there. They also sent over this cool little accessory that perfectly matches and complements the case: the Banks Armor Pop phone grip and stand. You gotta hear me out. This thing is a total win if you're getting this case. It's made from the same beautiful aramid fiber as the case and attaches securely with MagSafe and 52 magnets on the back. And at only 3.9mm thin and 22 grams, you can easily attach and remove it as you need. It's got a built-in finger loop that pops out for a secure grip, which is a lifesaver when you're holding a large phone like the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. And it also rotates 360 degrees and can be used as a stand in both portrait and landscape modes. It's a great way to add both style and functionality to your Pixel 10 Pro XL. So if you're looking for a case that's more about premium style and feel than heavy duty protection, the Banks Aurora Armor Air is a fantastic choice if you ask me, especially when paired with the matching Armor Prop accessory. All the links to these products will be down in the description below. Now let's move on to our second case option. Now for my second case option, we're gonna be going with the Spigen Nano Pop case. The Nano Pop stands out right away with its two-tone color design and that bold contrasting camera ring. It comes in a few different colors: the black sesame, blueberry navy, and papaya gray, so you can really find the one that matches your style. Now, a lot of thin cases can feel a bit slippery, right? But Spigen has a solution for that. These sides of the case have a coarse textured dotted pattern, which gives you a great secure grip. This is a big deal for large phones like the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and it definitely helps prevent those accidental drops and slips. And the thing that I really like about Spigen cases is that even with a slim case like this, you're not sacrificing protection at all. They've packed in their signature quality, so you can trust that it will keep your phone safe from everyday bumps and drops no matter what. And for those of you who have embraced the magnetic accessory ecosystem, this case is going to be fully compatible with MagSafe and Pixel Snap accessories, which is going to be a huge plus. The Spigen Nano Pop is a perfect blend of fun, style, and reliable protection, and it's for a person who wants to make a statement with their phone case without compromising any functionality. My Amazon affiliate link for this case will be down in the description below. Now let's move on to our third option on the list.
For our third option, I'm gonna have to go with the MagBack Elite case for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. The first thing that really stands out with the MagBack Elite is the focus on ergonomics. It's got a built-in finger loop for a secure grip and a soft touch pinky pillow on the bottom, which makes a huge difference when you're holding this large phone for a long time. I know it's a small little thing, but trust me, this feature is game changing. It also has these great side grips that give you an extra layer of confidence when you're holding this phone, and it really helps with hand fatigue. Beyond the grip, this case is incredibly versatile as well. It features a sturdy built-in kickstand that lets you prop it up for watching videos or making a video call. And it's a perfect option if you want to go hands-free for a little bit. Another really cool feature is going to be the customization of this case. It comes with replaceable accent packs, so you can change the color of the camera ring, side buttons, and those comfortable side grips that I mentioned before to match your style. MagBack also includes a full coverage glass screen protector right inside the box, and the packaging doubles as the installation tray, which makes putting it on super easy, bubble-free, and convenient. And finally, MagBack Elite is designed to work seamlessly with the MagBack ecosystem, specifically their magnet chargers. So if you're looking for a case that is built for comfort, security, and has some great bonus features, MagBack Elite is gonna be a top contender for you. Now for the fourth case, we're gonna go with the Poetic Guardian case with MagSafe. Now this case is a tank of a case. It's military grade, drop tested, and offers shock proof, drop proof, and impact resistant protection. It has an impact resistant TPU lining that acts as a shock absorbing bumper, especially on the corners, giving you that peace of mind against those serious drops. It's built to keep your phone safe from just about anything that you throw at it. The Poetic Guardian also comes with a built-in screen protector, so you get full 360-degree protection right out of the box. And this screen protector also has a fingerprint stamp to ensure your phone's biometrics work perfectly every single time. And if you prefer to use your own screen protector, Poetic also includes an extra front frame that you can swap out. This is a great feature that gives you options according to your need. And of course, this case also has magnets built in for MagSafe and PixelSnap accessories, so you can use all your favorite magnetic accessories and chargers and wallets, no problems at all. So for someone who wants a case that is rugged, durable, and offers the highest level of protection, the Poetic Guardian is an excellent choice, and it's all about function and safety without compromising on convenience. So that was our case number 4. Now let's move on to the last case on our top 5 list for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. And for our last case on the list, we're gonna go with the ToneGate case for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. And like some of the other cases on our list, this is all about functionality and has a strong magnetic connection. The ToneGate case has a really solid 360-degree rotating stand built right into the back. And this isn't just a flimsy kickstand, it's a solid steel hinged ring that gives you a sturdy, versatile way to prop up your phone in any orientation. And it also is a great way to get a better grip on your device when you're using it on the go. The case itself is built with a strong polycarbonate and TPU material, giving it a military grade drop protection rating. It's designed to be rugged and durable and provides a ton of protection for your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL from drops and impacts of everyday use. And of course, like all the other previous cases, this case is going to be MagSafe and PixelSnap compatible, with a strong magnetic lock for all of your accessories and wireless charging needs. The ToneGate case is a fantastic option for those who want a blend of powerful magnetic connection, versatile kickstand functionality, and some serious drop protections. And like the other cases, I'll have an Amazon affiliate link to this case down in the description below.
So there you have it, my top 5 cases for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Whether you look for a minimalist style like the Banks, colorful fun like the Spigen, or comfortable functionality with the MagBack case and rugged protection from Poetic, or a mix of everything from ToneGate, there's a case on this list for you. I've also done full videos going over the entire Spigen case lineup for the Google Pixel 10 series, and the Taurus case lineup for the Google Pixel 10 series as well. So if you want a more in-depth look at those brands, you can check out those videos on the channel as well. I'll link those down in the description as well. Remember, the links to all of these cases are down in the description below. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, use those links. It's a great way to support the channel and support my content. Let me know in the comments below which one of these cases is your favorite, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. This is Sunny signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.